So we talked a lot about milk, and I know some of you got very disturbed because milk is absolutely 24 hours a day in our own household. But I have stimulated your brain to think about milk quite differently now. Milk is already found to be linked with so many diseases. There's a particular enzyme, it's called as lactase, and most of us don't even have that enzyme to digest it. After a certain age, we don't need it, right? We don't need milk, so body doesn't make that enzyme. And yet we continue to consume dairy products. These are not fully digested. These become undigested food particles. Get into your body has to process it. If you can't process, you have lots of different diseases that can settle in. Why are these on rise? Diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, thyroid. Any idea? They were not seen in earlier generation, right? अभी तो सबसे ज़्यादा सबके फैमिली में रहता है. It's all really related to our diet and our consumption of dairy products. It has increased quite a lot. All these various diseases are already strongly linked. Breast cancer, very estrogen dependent cancer, and the source of estrogen is your antibodies. There are pretty good books out there talking about the same thing. Of course, these are written by US authors. There are also Indian authors writing exactly about milk, how milk is a poison. The best question everybody asks, कैल्शियम मिलता है ना इसमें? कैल्शियम के लिए जरूरी है. अब टेलीविजन पे भी कुछ ऐड आ जाती है ना, क्या दे रही है बच्चे को? मिल्क, खाली मिल्क दे रही है. हाँ, इसके साथ क्या देना चाहिए? विटामिन डी देना चाहिए. सी दिस इज हाउ दे एनकेश कि मिल्क में जो कैल्शियम है वो विटामिन डी के बिना वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होगा. सो नाउ दे आर पुशिंग अनदर प्रोडक्ट विटामिन डी एंड some fancy protein supplement that your child needs, and it is full of all this Horlicks and Boost Mary energy का राज, सचिन तेंदुलकर. बहुत सारे बच्चे भी वही सचिन के जैसे मिल जाएगा. But you don't need, your body needs calcium for sure, you all need. But where does an elephant or a cow get calcium from? They are vegetarians. Where do they get it from? From the plants, from the grass, from what they eat. So we can also get it from the same. No big deal. Here is a big list of all the products, all the plant-based except the human milk that has calcium content. Have you seen an advertisement on television? मगरनाल चिक्की वाला, सेसमे सीड, तिल की चिक्की खाओ, इसमें मिल्क से 30 टाइम्स ज़्यादा कैल्शियम है. आप खाओगे? If he advertises it. If he doesn't, if he is not smart enough, he won't. Look at the sesame seeds, 25. कितना कैल्शियम है इसमें? 30 times more than the human milk. Look at the quantity, 33 grams versus how much? Right? What you need? One chickpea a day for your calcium. More than enough. And there are so many. Even potato chips has more calcium than the other. Calcium is already there. It is in fact organic calcium that your body can assimilate very easily. So don't ask me the question, where do I get my calcium from? आप ये सारी चीज़ already खाते हो, इसमें already है calcium. बल्कि कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी क्यों होती है? Because we are taking a lot of dairy products, which is causing acidity, which we need to neutralize. So body pulls the calcium out of your bone to neutralize it. समझ गए? It's really the ulta. Milk is not source at all. And animal protein and animal fats, these are known to create very high acidity in the system. The protein, what is animal protein coming from meat, is a ready-made protein. You don't need that. So what your body will do, it will break it down to various amino acids. And then it will reconstruct another protein that your body needs. So it's a two-step process. You understood? Step 1 is breaking down. इसमें energy जाती है. Step 2 is reconstructing another one. Whereas what happens when you take plant-based protein, they are straight amino acids. You make what you want. One step process. So you lose actually a lot more energy digesting non-veg. कभी आपने कुछ ऐसा खाया होगा, आपको पता है ना, नॉन-वेज कुछ खा लिया तो 6-7 घंटा तक आपके पेट में पड़ा रहता है, the body really works hard to digest it. Whereas if you take any vegetarian protein, beans, pulses will digest it faster.
One thing which I've read is plants or usually pulses don't complete the chain of amino acids. Usually need to add dry fruits which will complete the...
But everything should be plant-based. That is how simple it is. This is the famous book written by a man who was appointed by US government to carry out studies in China and Far East Asia. And he was finding out the cause of cancer, he was finding out what is the diet in this Asian community. And he was overwhelmed with his finding. Instead of they requiring more and more protein, he saw that the countries which were consuming more protein had more cancer. And the countries which were just consuming plant-based protein, there were no cancer. So he was appointed actually by the government, and so the industry did not allow him to speak up. So finally he got out of the whole system and he wrote this book, China Study. This is the famous volume that talks about all these modern day diseases and how they are linked with all these animal products and how you should minimize or not use at all. And this book has become very famous. It is available on internet, free to download, and you can read it. You don't have to pay any money. The entire book is also there on YouTube, audio, you listen to it, and it's a fabulous book. It talks about various studies and it's highly convincing. He is the doctor, he talks about it, and then he says that in the next 10 to 15 years, one of the things you are bound to hear is that animal protein is one of the most toxic nutrients of all that can be considered. Risk for diseases go up dramatically when even a little animal product is added to the diet. See, this is how he is talking about. This is Dr. Neil Barnard. He came to India about 4 years ago, and this is, I learned from him how to reverse diabetes. I spent 25 years of my medical practice, और मैंने एक भी मेरा डायबिटीज़ का पेशेंट ठीक होते हुए देखा ही नहीं. I was डायबिटीज़ ठीक हो रहा है, क्या बता रहा है? I immediately picked up his book, studied up, and he says reversing diabetes through diet. I was overwhelmed. खाली डाइट चेंज करके डायबिटीज़ ठीक हो जाता है क्या? Then he came to India. I attended his workshops. I learned a lot more from him, and now I do exactly the same. And I have every year several patients who have reversed their diabetes completely. Yogesh is one of them. Your own employee, one Mr. Rangnekar, his story is very famous. And he reversed his 10 saal juna diabetes in few months. I didn't have to stop his medicine, his diabetologist stopped his medicine. His blood sugar started dropping. And that's it, in few months everything was gone. And he was overwhelmed because of the diet that I just gave. It was plant-based totally. He overnight decided, मुझे लगा ये हफ्ते में 4 बार पार्टी में जाता है, अल्कोहल लेता है, दारू पीता है, मतलब नॉन-वेज खा रहा है, हार्डकोर नॉन-वेज खाए. सो आई सेड इसको कैसे समझाऊँ क्या करना है. सो आई स्टार्टेड आउट स्लोली. ऐसे तुम ऐसा करो, तुम एक चीज़ ड्रॉप कर दो, हर वीक एक चीज़ ड्रॉप कर लेना. सो व्हाइल आई वाज टॉकिंग आफ्टर सम टाइम नहीं ऐसा नहीं, आप बताओ ना क्या करना है. अच्छा, आई ट्रिक्ड हिम, वैसे 30 दिन ही खाली करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. नहीं करूँगा. एंड देन टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन इसे अच्छा ऐसा करता हूँ 30 दिन के लिए सब कुछ बंद कर, आप जैसे बोलते हैं वैसा कर देता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं करता. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, चलो करिए, तैयार हो गया. बट टू माई सरप्राइज नेक्स्ट डे ऑनवर्ड्स ही स्टार्टेड ऑल डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ. ही वॉज इन वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, बट नॉन-वेज चिकन बर्गर, मतलब 3 बार नॉन-वेज खाने वाला आदमी से अच्छा चलो क्या खाना है, मतलब रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल खाना है, अच्छा चलो वही खा लूँगा. नाश्ता क्या करना है, ये सब खा लूँगा. 30 days like a magic happened. The sugar started dropping, he started losing weight. He saw tremendous change. And I didn't take his picture the first time when he was looking, whatever he was looking, tired, aged, eyes drooping. And in a few months he looked so radiant. anti-aging effect, very young, very energetic. His disease reversed of 10 years, all the medication. Now, this is one story. I keep doing this almost every month. I have patients. 4 weeks ago, I had a patient whose kidney was failing, diabetes, serum creatinine 1.5. He was very scared, dialysis, dialysis करना पड़ेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, 10 साल से diabetes है मुझे. He's only 42. He was brought to me by his doctor because his doctor heard some patient got better through me, diabetes. He said नहीं एक डॉक्टर है खार में, उसके पास चलते हैं, कुछ तो कर सकेगी तेरे डायबिटीज़ के लिए. डाइट ही देती है, दवाई नहीं देती. He came again. I wrote down all the food that he was eating. I usually do this. I write down all the foods that he is eating, left side. Then I have a color marker, yellow color. Then I color it up, everything. ये चीज़, ये खाने से डायबिटीज़ होती है. अरे मेरे डॉक्टर ने तो बताया नहीं मुझे, इसमें शुगर कहाँ है? शुगर इज नॉट द कॉज ऑफ डायबिटीज़. आई टेल यू व्हाट गिव्स यू डायबिटीज़. ठीक है, तो ये सब नहीं खाना है. अब बताती हूँ क्या खाना है. आई मेड द राइट साइड, क्या खाना है. In 3 weeks, he called me up. Doctor, my creatinine has come down to 1.2. You understand how overwhelming it is? 1.5. He said, just changing the diet. Done. 3 medicines he was taking for diabetes. 1 medicine dropped. 3 weeks, and we dropped 2 kilo weight also. So happy. We have 17 kilo का target. इसमें से उसने 2 kilo तो drop कर दिया. So this is what it is. All this extra weight stays on your body. If you eat food like a buffalo's food, what are you going to become? Like a buffalo, obese. This is how simple it is. This is how simply I am doing it in my clinic. We do lots of workshops. I teach people how to cook. I actually teach how to cook, how to change your diet, all those stuff. So here's another one who's written. He's got lots of YouTube videos. If you have anybody in your family who is already diabetic, maybe start with something. Take some guidance. I can show you how to reduce medication. So now, how this can be done practically? मैंने बहुत सारा भाषण कर दिया, आपको थोड़ा इधर उधर सब बता दिया. आपको एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं लेने हैं. So this is a new movement. It's called as vegan. VEGAN. It's vegetarian but no dairy, so it becomes vegan. There's 100% no animal products. It's a vegan movement. Now there are vegan who are for health, like how I am. I don't take dairy products because it doesn't suit my health. Done. I'm a vegan for health, for my life. There are people who are very kind towards animal, and they don't want any animal cruelty. So they will not consume any animal products. And there are lots of youngsters across the world who are vegan, ethical vegan. They think killing or harming or stealing milk is unethical. They will not wear leather. They will not buy pearl necklace. They will not have honey because it's animal product. They are 100% vegan and they are ethical vegans. And there are vegans who are for environmental reasons. Because for producing 1 kilo of meat, you are going to use a lot of resources to finally get that. 200 kilos of vegetables to finally get 1 kilo of meat. So you are actually using and exploiting too much of environmental resources. So there are people who don't want that, so they are environmental vegan. The vegan movement is very big across America, in Europe, or every country in the world. And in India it has just begun. So we are now, what I am proposing is a vegan diet, but it's a healthy vegan diet. It's a plant-based nutrition. And how do we do this practically? So I teach this to all my patients. How do you do it now every day in your home? You have to replace milk, no? The first thing. कल से आप बोल दो दूध वाले भैया को या बाय बाय आना मत. क्यों? नहीं, तुम्हारा मिल्क में सब गड़बड़ है, नहीं चाहिए मुझे. माई तबेला वाला became very unhappy when I said नहीं चाहिए मिल्क. क्यों? सबसे अच्छा मिल्क दे रहा हूँ, इतना ज़्यादा होता है, इतना फैट निकलता है, 58 रुपीज़ का लीटर है, बेस्ट है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. क्यों? क्या हुआ मैडम, उसमें कोई गड़बड़ है? नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Milk is more regulated. You stop for 30 days and you replace it. So morning ki chai, what do you want to do? Chai itself is not good. So why should you have tea? can have herbal chai. There are many milk I teach. There are about at least 2 dozen kind of different plant-based milk that you can have. There are lots of them. Soy milk is easily available in the carton. There are rice milk is available. There are coconut milk, then wheat milk. There are so many other milk you can make it. Peanut milk. So all this I teach and I actually show. And if you don't, that's very simple. I'm going to give you a replacement chart towards the end. You take home, you figure it out. If you have any question, ask me. There is also almond milk. 10 बादाम को पानी में भिगो के दूसरे दिन उसका पानी निकाल के फ्रेश पानी डालो, मिक्सी में डालो. In 30 seconds you have almond milk. Just put 1 banana in it, 2 dates, and you have a thick almond milkshake. Okay? Stomach will be full for 3 hours. That's simple. Only 1 minute you can prepare your breakfast. You don't need other milk. So there are all this milk. In other countries, a lot of milk are available in the carton because vegan industry is highly developed, but not in our country. Our country only soy milk, maybe rice milk, maybe almond, but too expensive, you can make it at home. All these are available. You will replace white sugar, please. Don't get white sugar. बिल्कुल आपको लाना ही नहीं है. लेकिन मीठा तो आपको खाना है ना, स्वीट तो चाहिए. So like I have a palm sugar here. I'll show you what it is. Palm sugar, natural. वैसा ही है, बहुत मीठा है. It is available. I can give you the address. Quite competitive rates. You can have it here. This is not processed. It's not highly chemicalized. There is no sulfur in it. Palm sugar. There are many others. You can get chemical-free jaggery. Have you heard of it?
Yes.
Chemical-free jaggery. Organic jaggery. Dark color का होता है. Don't buy the white one.
How do you spell the palm sugar? How do you spell?
P-A-L-M. palm jaggery भी आती है.
How
एकदम
brown?
डार्क कलर की आती है, ब्लैक कलर की.
How about brown sugar?
Now that is industry. I know one sugar manufacturer in Nasik. He told me the secret. खाली इसको brown color करता हूँ. Unfortunately. So it's not really brown sugar. Don't take it. Maybe Familia has raw sugar, unprocessed sugar. You can buy that. So sugar should not be processed. It's highly acidic and it depresses your immune system. Quite a lot. You replace it immediately. आपको कोई भी डिफिकल्टी होगी मुझे पूछो, मैं बता दूंगी. मेरे घर में शुगर नहीं आती, वाइट शुगर नहीं आती. You can also use dates and raisins. Date syrup, make it very simple. Raisins, बहुत मीठा होता है. Stevia powder for those, it's a herbal powder for those who are diabetic. Instead of putting artificial sweetener, you use this. It's quite simple. Artificial sweeteners, I told you, please don't use them ever. Don't even bring in your house. They are not safe. If you have 2 days, it's going to satisfy your sweet tooth quite easily. आपको तीसरा खाने का मन नहीं होता. लेकिन वाइट शुगर जब खाते हैं तो और खाने का मन होता है. ये एडिक्टिंग है. आपके ब्रेन में एक सटाइटी सेंटर रहता है. व्हाट इज सटाइटी सेंटर? जैसे मैं मलेशिया गई थी 2 साल पहले. तो मलेशिया में माई होस्ट डिडंट नो व्हाट आई विल ईट. तो वो मुझे बस कोई भी वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट में ले जाती थी. फिर हर वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट में मशरूम्स. 3, 4, 5, 6 बार मशरूम्स खा लिए. मैं वापस आई इंडिया में. अभी मैं 2 साल तक मशरूम नहीं खाऊँ बिकॉज माई सटाइटी सेंटर टोल्ड मी बहुत मशरूम खाऊँ. सो सटाइटी सेंटर इज व्हाट टेल्स यू. अभी मैं आपको 2 डजन टमाटो दे दूँ. अब 1 दिन खाएंगे, दूसरे दिन पर आप टमाटो नहीं खाना. सटाइटी सेंटर टेल्स यू नॉट टू ईट मोर. यू आर सेटिस्फाइड. बट वाइट शुगर नेवर रीचेज योर सटाइटी सेंटर. समझ गए? वो आपको और खाने को बताएगी. तो खाते हैं ना डेज, मैच देखते देखते खाते हैं. बट सटाइटी सेंटर डजंट टेल यू हाउ मच हैव यू ईटन. आप 6 पैकेट खा गए, आपको पता नहीं चलता. सो these natural sweeteners are going to tell you exactly how much have you eaten. It will satisfy you, it will not make you eat more. That's what we need. The foods have to satisfy you completely. tea and coffee, replace it with herbal chai. Ginger, lemongrass, mint, varyali, maybe thyme seeds, anything. Chamomile, these days you can sachet also. Organic India has tulsi. All these can be used. You will get used to in 3 days. Even the green tea is a marketing industry. Green tea is also acidic. So I usually wean off my patient also from green tea. Don't add any milk, nothing. Just have herbal chai. These are very good for your health. If you just have boiled water, घर में से एक पैकेट में कुछ लेके आओ, इसमें herbal chai डाल दो. It's very very nourishing, very digestive, stimulating, very nice. Very lemongrass. Replace butter. He was telling me during the break that मिठीबाई कॉलेज के सामने पाव वड़ा में भी बटर डालते हैं. बटर वहाँ भी पहुँच गया. सैंडविच में डालते थे, अभी पाव वड़ा में भी डालते हैं. And that butter pav bhaji, extra butter, dosa में butter, cheese dosa, everywhere there is butter. So butter is again animal product. We don't want to have it. It's no fiber, highly concentrated, unhealthy fat. You replace it with maybe peanut butter, there's almond butter, cashew butter. These are available in the market. Quite easily you put in your sandwich. Next time the sandwich can be served with peanut butter. Oil. Don't want refined oil. Oil itself is a processed product. अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि आप 1 कप मूंगफली खा लो. आप खा सकेंगे? 1 कप भर के दे देती हूँ, खा सकते. चबाओ, खाओ. 1 कप नहीं खा सकते. चबा चबा के आधा में बस हो गया. लेकिन 1 टेबलस्पून 1 कप मूंगफली में से for 1 cup of peanut you get 1 tablespoon of oil. तो आप कितना जल्दी खा लेते हैं? There is no fiber in it. It sits in your stomach, doesn't tell you you're full, nothing. Oil is highly refined processed product. Should not be used or should be used very minimally.
What about olive oil?
That's right. That's Spanish industry, the food industry has come to India. Large amount of olive oil is now pumped into our country. Is it healthful? It's not. Is it our food? It's not. To spend people. What is growing in your own country, you should eat that. But they have surplus, lot of extra. So they catch a good importer and then they start putting the ad in the newspaper and some nice nutritionist article, olive oil खाना चाहिए. अभी ट्रेडिशनल गुजराती हाउस होल्ड जो पीनट ऑयल खा रहे थे, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल, अभी घर में 3 times एक्सपेंसिव ऑलिव ऑयल ला के खा रहे हैं. ऑलिव ऑयल को तो गर्म भी नहीं करना चाहिए. इट टर्न्स मोर टॉक्सिक. It is to be only added in salad. High smoking point. The only oil that is good for you making something fried is coconut oil because it is more stable, it is more saturated fat. तो ये सारी इंडस्ट्री है. ऑलिव ऑयल इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. कभी कभी आपने सलाद में ले लिया. ऑयल शुड बी ऑलवेज कोल्ड प्रेस्ड, नॉट रिफाइंड, अनप्रोसेस्ड. हनी का तेल वो ही ठीक है. अगर लोग लेना है.
One question on olive oil. You also get cold pressed olive oil.
You can take it. And instead of oil, you can use many of these things like grated coconut. आप फंसी का सब्जी बनाते हैं, फ्रेंच बीन्स. आपने देखा है साउथ इंडियन लोग कैसे बनाते हैं? इसमें कोकोनट डालते हैं. You don't need oil anymore. Coconut will release some oil and it will taste very nice. Use coconut, shredded coconut. It's oil with fiber. You can have as much as you want. तो आप लोग कोकोनट से ना कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ जाएगा. अगर कोकोनट बंद कर, अरे मिल्क बंद करो ना, कोकोनट चालू रखो. इतना नेचुरली है, 17 रुपीज़ का मिलता है. फाइबर के साथ खाओ, कोई मोटे नहीं होने वाले हैं. ट्रेडिशनली पीपल एट कोकोनट एंड बनाना इन मलयालम. मलयाली पीपल ऑलवेज एट कोकोनट एंड बनाना इन केरला. आप देखे उनको मोटे नहीं देखे ना, अब हो गए मोटे बिकॉज नाउ वी आर ईटिंग. यू ईट, नथिंग विल हैपन. You can add peanuts, natural oil. पोटैटो सब्जी, थोड़ा पीनट डाल दो उसमें. It is very nice and crunchy and oily. If you want to make cutlets, इसका पाउडर बना के उससे कोट कर दो. Don't add any oil for your patties. Just roast it ना. इसमें seeds. Again oil, use the seeds. Any seeds that has oil, then you can use it up. इसके सब्जी में डाल दो. भिंडी का सब्जी बना तो कभी कभी ये भी डालते हैं. Sesame seeds. Just add it. It will make it more interesting. You don't need oil. Paneer. Punjabi people like, but now we all also have started eating. Lots of paneer. You can replace it with tofu, which is soya paneer. Very easy. Replace curd. सब पेशेंट में सब कुछ बनेगा. दही तो चाहिए, एक बाटी दही चाहिए, छाछ तो चाहिए. Supposed to be good, ना? Probiotics. You can replace the curd quite easily. I usually make सोयाबीन के दूध में से दही बन जाता है. This is my favorite. The groundnut का मिल्क बनता है, उसका दही बनता है. Recently I combined groundnut and rice milk. It tastes even better. The curd is exactly the same. इसमें से आप सारी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं. इसमें से कढ़ी बनाओ, छाछ बनाओ. छाछ में लोगों को पिलाती हूँ तो पता ही नहीं चलता कि दूसरा दूध का दे दिया. It is so good. It's really conditioning. And all other things I make. Raita, whatever you want with. I made even Shrikhand of it. Replace white rice. अभी भर लिए सो भर लिए, अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम मत भरो. एंड ऑलवेज लुक फॉर अनपॉलिश्ड राइस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर आर रेड राइस अवेलेबल, देयर इज ब्लैक राइस अवेलेबल, एंड ऑल्सो अनपॉलिश्ड. कॉलम, यूज दोस. दे आर अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर. यू गो टू इवन फूड बाजार हैज अ प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनिक काउंटर एंड देयर आर ब्रांड्स लाइक कॉन्शियस फूड्स एंड अदर्स यू कैन ट्राई. अगर वाइट राइस आप 2 बाटी खाते हैं तो ये आप 1 बाटी ही खाएंगे, इसमें फाइबर होता है. ये आपका पूरा भर देगा.
How about brown rice?
That is brown rice. Unpolished must be. Very important. So this is what I use in my house, unpolished. You have to soak it for 2 hours and then cook it. Okay? So that's the additional stuff. It's not instant. Please replace salt. The refined salt is the one also not good for your blood pressure and other problems. You replace it immediately with what? Senda namak, do you know first ka namak? That and the second one, sea salt. Sea salt, okay? The khada namak. Don't take the powdery and the refined one. Rava is very processed. Do you know that? What? Rava is very processed. You replace it with dalias. Do you know wheat dalias? And make upma from them. There are other dalias available. Very simple. Just replace it. Next time don't bring that rava ka packet. So I told you already, avoid all these things. White bread, white sugar, milk, refined oil. These are basic. You can do this quite easily. It's only a habit to bring white rice and then some advertisement influences you. Is it easy? You can do it. If you have difficulty, you can always ask. Okay, I want to do some label reading. I've got some products here, and I want one of you to come who has a very good eyesight and maybe read this. We are going for shopping now, supermarket, and we want to shop something. And these things get into our homes quite quickly. This or any other brand, right? So let's read it. We have to learn to read labels. Very, very important. You have to read in between the lines. आप थोड़ा मत पढ़ो, थोड़ा और पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So who wants to read? There's something written here. You want to read? Come. What is written here? पूरा
100% vegetarian, no preservative, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no message.
MSG. Do you know what is MSG? Do you know? It is the Ajinomoto used in Chinese food. It's also their highly addicting chemical. Year after year, China is producing huge quantity of MSG. It is in every food product that is packed like this. And it has various names. It's not always MSG, some other names. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा ऐसा कुछ नाम होगा. It's highly addictive. As soon as you put it on your tongue, it addicts you. It wants to ask you for more. 80% of Mumbai restaurants is all adding MSG. आपको पता नहीं, आप लाइन लगती है ना, जो रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर लाइन लगती है वो जरूर डालता है. Now they have tried to tell you that they are so healthy, right? बिकॉज ऑल दिस वंडरफुल इंफॉर्मेशन ग्रीन मार्क भी कर दिए हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट विल विल रीड द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. इसमें क्या क्या है, क्या क्या है इसमें?
बेसन,
बेसन,